Hi everyone, we're Lito Lapay at Lifestyle Projects and Gardening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we had a touchdown tornado last night right here in Crown Point, Indiana, and we are so close. So as you can see it here, this is my backyard right now. Some of the leaves, actually one of my cardboard box. We had like, I think they were saying that it's 100 miles per hour tornado touchdown last night, and that's in July 15. Yeah, that's the 15th of July. But you can see it here, there's so many leaves that we're just so blessed that the tornado did not actually, it's in my area, but it went farther east. So we were blessed, thank God. But I'm just checking the surroundings here, what happened. But you see my grill here, it actually almost pick up my grill too, like fell down. Here's my grill, but I'm actually fixing it after. That's my grill, brand new grill. So let's go and check out some of the some of my uh, well, these are my tomato right here, but looks like they're, oh, it was destroyed, some of them. You can see this big bushy tomato right there, it's split open. So I'm just gonna cut that. Yeah, these are the damage of the tornado last night. And oh, you can see that thing. I'll cut it after. I'll prune some of them. Yeah, these are these are actually the good ones. Like, they're really thriving. But yeah, you got, so this one. Yeah, there's not a lot of them, but it's like, you can see my tomato. It's already, some of them are the stem. Let's go around here. Corn. First, just the actually just the tomato right now, but these are the good ones actually. But you can't do anything when tornado comes. You just have to uh, go to safety in your basement. Just have to safety first, right? But that's the damage right there, the tomato. This eggplant right here is okay. um let's check some of the corn. I mean, the corn are doing okay, but the tomato, yeah, you can see. So this the stem snap this wind that came last night. So I had to prune that. You can see this angle, the wind damage on this area. Oh, there's some more here. The stem is already snapped. Let's check this thing. Yeah, my window here. Oh, these are the carrots. They also bend down. So it's pretty much a strong wind. Let's go check the pepper plants. If something got damaged or anything. As you can see it here, they look okay. So it's just the tomato plants got damaged, and some of the other vegetable plants are okay. So that's for the video for today. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Give a thumbs up to help my channel, and we will see you for the next video. Bye bye.